Oh my goodness, it's kind of pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah? What color? That's marker.
Should have seen the snow flying yesterday in North Dakota.
Really?
Yeah, it's stuck to the ground.
What do you think? What were you doing?
They have some.
What?
They have some.
Have some what? Oh. Needed some chapstick?
Are you crying?
No.
No. You don't cry, do you?
Can you smile?
Yeah.
Do you want a snack?
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my.